Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I think we can all agree that mirrors have definitely become such a staple decorative item in our homes. And this SWTHONY round mirror has definitely become one in mine. The mirror is framed with light wood beads and intertwined husk. This gives it a really pretty and laid back look. I personally love the petite size of this mirror because I find that it makes it really cute and great for subtle wall decor. The installation is not complicated at all. The small size means that it's really light, so it was easy for me to install all by myself. There's a single secure metal hanging piece on the back of the mirror, and that's all it needs. I had it installed on my wall in a matter of minutes. It looks absolutely perfect in my guest bedroom above the dresser. It really adds a beautiful decorative touch to the wall, and I love how it complements the whole room. This little mirror adds a big touch of style to my guest bedroom wall. And that's my point of view.